How to do content aware scale on Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, as you all know that when we are going to resize any image, they are to tell us to hold shift so that the proportion is always right. Let's say I'm transforming this one, so without shift it will be like this, but as I press shift, it will just make the proportions right. But if you want to attach some or just transform something, and you just don't want to mess it up, but you also want to change its dimension, that you can do a little trick that is called the content aware. So what you're going to do is you're going to do this, take this picture, and now you're going to go to the edit panel. So this is the edit panel. There is all kind of edits over here. So you're going to go on the edit panel, and over here is the transform. So this is the transforms options, all of the transform option. So there is an option of content aware scale option. So content aware scale is a different option. I have to first click it over here, then I have to select it, then I have to go to edit, and then I have to go to content aware. Now in the content aware, let's say I'm going to turn this width into 150. So as I have turned the width into 150, the picture is not as distorted. So as its own or its main center is in the center, and only the sides are distorted a little bit. That can be fixed by going it right over here and also going it right over here. So this is how you can use content aware feature on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.